All right, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So we have this beautiful 2016 Jeep Rubicon in, and he's doing a stereo upgrade. So at some point, somebody had upgraded the stereo anyway. If you know anything about these cars, they normally come with like just a standard radio, no backup camera, no nothing. There was the option, but this obviously was an aftermarket. It looks like the factory, but it's definitely an aftermarket head unit. So the client wanted a new radio with a much bigger screen, and this is the high 10, which is really sharp because it basically gives you a large tablet style radio, but as you can see, it's flush mounted. It's purpose built for the Wranglers, the JK series. So it also adds the ability to do Apple CarPlay, wireless backup camera. So if you throw it in reverse, you have the backup camera, and then you have all the modern features of a brand new car. You even have things like vehicle info, gauges, drivetrain. I mean, it's purpose built for this vehicle. So it's really nice because it looks factory, but it gives you a much more modern look and feel to the vehicle.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.